All right, so John wants to start lifting weights to get all muscular for high school next year. On the day he begins his workouts, hint, day 0, his weight is 135. Each week, his weight increases by 2.5 pounds. Which equation best represents John's situation? So what we have to do is we have to take this scenario and we have to write an equation. Now, a couple things to look for. We need to write an equation y equals mx plus b. B is going to be our y-intercept. And what that means is this is our starting point. I like to think of it as our starting point. You could think of it as like the initial, in this case we're talking about weight, the initial weight. So on the day he begins his workouts, here's your hint here. Day 0, that is his starting weight. So our B for this one is going to be 135. Starting point, his starting weight. Now, M is the slope, and that's going to be our rate. So usually it's something per week, something per day, something per hour. It's going to be our rate. And in this case, each week his rate increases 2.5. So each week it increases 2.5 pounds. So that means 2.5 pounds per week. That is our rate. And because it says increases, we know it's positive. So our slope is positive 2.5. So to write this equation, we're going to plug in m, 2.5, x plus 135. So our correct option here is going to be option number 3. It's not 2 because if it was decreasing weight or losing weight, then it would be a negative slope. But because it's increasing by 2.5, our correct answer here is option 3.